Hi, this is us, and today we're gonna learn about how to add comments in HTML. Comments are for your advantage. You can add them for your future study. You can also add them for helping for yourself. Here I am starting HTML tag, and next we are starting our body tag, and next how to add anything. This will not appear on the web page. This will only appear for you. Here you can see this symbol. You can see making it zoom. You can see here this is only single tag. This is here the first symbol and here is the second symbol. So the first symbol and the second symbol, and inside you are seeing these two slashes, two lines and these two lines, and this is our exclamatory. You can add anything here. You can write anything. So this is our, for example, paragraph. So here this is our starting paragraph tag, and next we have ending paragraph tag, and inside these two we have our paragraph. For example, you saw it, guys. Okay, so this will show for the public on your web page. Next we also have one more tag. Here you are seeing we are starting from this symbol and we are ending from this symbol. This is called the starting tag. This is the only tag in the comment, but otherwise here you can see we have starting and ending both tags. This is starting tag, this is ending tag. Okay, but here we have single tag where we gonna put something. You can add comments here, anything you can write about. So let's save it. First of all, I am copying it, so gonna taking it to notepad, saving it here. HTML में सेव करना है, एक्सटेंशन होगी HTML. So here you can see we have not any comment here. We have no comment here. You can see we have no comment. We have just paragraph. So gonna see you in next video. Goodbye for now.